WhimsySprouts Kids channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Hi kids! Have you ever wondered how your favorite animals stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter? Today we're going to find out. Let's start with summer. Just like us, animals can get really hot during the summer. So, how do they stay cool? Well, different animals have different ways beating the heat. Dogs and cats. Have you ever noticed your dog or cat panting? That's because they can't sweat like humans do. Instead, they cool down by panting, which helps them release their heat from their bodies. Cats also lick their fur to keep cool. Elephants. These giant animals have a unique way of staying cool. They flap their big ears to fan themselves and cool down their blood. They also love to splash water on themselves with their trunks or take a nice mud bath to keep cool. Birds. Birds keep cool by fluffing up their feathers to allow air to circulate close to their skin. Some birds even pant like dogs to stay cool. Camel. In the hot desert, we find the camel. Camel has special feet to walk on the hot sand and stores fat in her hump, which helps her stay cool and have energy for long journeys. Now, let's talk about winter. When the weather gets cold, animals have their own special ways of staying warm. Bears. Bears hibernate during the winter. They find a cozy spot to sleep and live off the fat they've stored up during the summer and fall. Their thick fur also helps keep them warm. Arctic foxes. These clever creatures have fur that changes color with the seasons. In the winter, their fur turns white to blend in with the snow and provide extra insulation to keep them warm. Penguins. Penguins huddle together in large groups to share body heat. Their thick layer of fur and waterproof feathers also help them stay warm in the freezing Arctic climate. Deer. Deer grow a thicker coat in the winter to keep warm. They also seek shelter in wooded areas where they can find protection from the wind and snow. Isn't it amazing how animals have adapted to survive in different climates? Whether it's the scorching heat of summer or the freezing cold of winter, animals have found incredible ways to stay comfortable all year round. So next time you see an animal, think about how it's staying cool or keeping warm, and remember all the wonderful adaptations that help them thrive in their habitats.